Christmas lights fill the city. There are people everywhere. The snow is falling white and pretty as I stroll on my way to you. How would you feel about packing up today?
And that's us checking out. Heading to Santa Claus Village. Okay, get your Uber.
Yeah.
Buy Uber.
But Uber.
We have to split the taxis up because there's not one big enough. Careful. Let me see your rosy cheeks. Your rosy cheekers.
Look at this sun.
I know, it's so cool, isn't it?
Yeah. Is it cold? Oh, it's freezing.
It was ice stars.
It's not cold.
Right, what way do they go? Left or right?
Ice skating.
Go on it.
Yeah.
And me and Penny went out on the ice rink with no skates.
You're like, woo!
No,
I want to go ice skating.
you can.
Good fun. Wait then.
Let's go look around first.
Should we have a little look and then we can come back?
That's for it.
Whoa! Right, Darth? Oh, Penny! Do you want to go down it, Mish?
Do it again, thanks.
I'm going to go down it.
Really fun gun. Someone's having difficulty here. Oh, how's your knees?
I think
Got that.
Oh my god, you need to go down that. That is so slippery.
so guys, I'm over the camera now, of course, because you guys love me.
Go down that. You've got to fly slippery, that is. Oh, I have never felt anything more slippery.
Pennies go! Let's watch this. How much money falls at the top? Moment of truth. Oh my!
Yeah, I'm good.
Oh my knee!
I think I broke my back.
Final injury.
I should have a cushion there or something.
Okay. Put it again.
Come on guys, I'll take you up. I have to be careful because this is all... Oh! Okay guys. Oh! That really hurt my lower back. If anyone's wondering.
So we've booked coming to Snowman World just because we've got nothing else to do. All the reindeer rides are sold out. Yeah, the queue's massive for the tubing. Wow. Where's Penny gone? Hang on, let's go and have a look down here, and then we can come back. Oh, where's Shishi? You'll get that. Whoa, look how fast they go. Look at this slide, guys. So this is actually sunrise. So much snow. Look at the trees. Oh. Here comes Darcy. Oh God, it's Penny. Yeah, Penny! Good job! Here comes Dad.
Where you literally get turning around.
Oh, Misha's next. Here comes Tom. My hands are about to freeze.
Leave this all behind. Go get snowed in somewhere. You and me. I would rather be somewhere with you, without TV or phone. Is it wrong for me to want you for my own? This Christmas, let the others miss us. Let's go get snowed in.
That's okay.
Darcy just had her first experience of extreme cold. And she cried.
I wasn't expecting to.
They were very cold, her hands. What?
My bad. Mom, we're gonna see to eat, not eat today.
Yeah, we liked it.
Mom, can I go get an icicle? Look behind you.
Snowing again.
Like the wind chill is now gone. I got wind chill.
Like windburn.
I thought
She was crying because she was filming herself going down the tube inside in Snowman World, crying her eyes out because she had a bare hand. So I've told her how important it is. It's so much colder. It says -11, feels like -18.
it really hurt. It felt like my hand was like tingling, and it felt like
She couldn't even go like that.
it was tightening. And my hand, it obviously wasn't tight, but it felt so tight.
So now do you wish you listened to your mum when she said about how you need to dress?
No, I was dressed good. I just had one bare hand, so I feel myself going down.
And
I want to get on the phone.
oh my goodness me, it's so cold. It's so much colder today, isn't it?
Really cold.
So
I
cold.
have to do her hood up, I think.
Where is, oh yeah. Honestly, she's just like an Eskimo baby. No fear. Oh. Did you fall? What is it with us falling today? Can you see all those icicles?
I don't know if it's a good time to like come and skate.
Did you look like me falling down?
Just did my foot.
It's a little bit busy in here today. A little bit chaotic in Santa Claus Village. Oh, it's snowing so much. You okay?
Let's go get snowed in. How wrong could that be? Being snowed somewhere, you and me. Let's go get snow.
I'll go pick my mate up. Hello. 6 hours.
£72 in there.
Dad, it was 7.
We just had pizza, chips. We haven't had burger in Santa's Pizza and Burger. Can you guys see that? No, it's on me. Hang on. It likes to track me. But it did just cost us £72. So yeah, we just need to hang around here really until it's time to go to the airport. So I'm going to do a little bit of filming of everything lit up because we haven't actually, yeah, we haven't actually been here when it's been dark like this, and it looks so cute.
Let's go get snowed in. How wrong could that be?
So these you can rent out. They are €100 per hour. Wild, I know. Cute though. I don't think I would do it for €100, but it looks cute. Looks super, super cute. Oh, do you know what? I'm just really sad to go home. There's just something about this place. I don't even have the words to say. Oh yeah. It's just so magical.
We're going back to Snowman World with everyone. I'm just saw no rubber ducks and we get of snow. And basically I'm gonna go down the ice side again with my gloves on this time.
What, the tube one?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I think, and I'll make my mum come down with me as well. And I'll get her to video it with her gloves on.
Don't know, I'm a bit scared to do that.
I'll do it.
I've got frostbite already now.
Being snowed in somewhere, you and me. Let's get snowed in somewhere, you and me. Feeling alone, kinda misty. Waiting now for you to come. It's cold again, but I know we'll be warm.
Is he screaming? Ollie was screaming. Up next is Darcy. Darcy is not screaming. Look like a fun little ride though. Up next is the little daredevil. Oh, she's making noises. Oh, she's lost her hat.
No, it's Emma. You like that one?
And up next is Anne. Slight delay because Penny lost her hat.
I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Ollie.
Stand back a Ollie because I'm going to do it like this.
Papa, I want to stand here.
Yeah. Here she comes. Oh, she's bumping around.
Dad, can I go skating again?
She made it around the bend. Let's go see how they get on. Hold on. Penny, where did your hat go?
What happened to Penny's hat?
No, her hat blew off. I know. I seen it. Was you loving that? How was it for you, Anne? Worth the wait in the blizzard.
I'm so cold.
Can I go to ice cream?
How about you, Darcy? Any tears this time?
No, because I have my sweater on and I have Dad, let's go to ice cream.
Lesson learnt then, eh?
Sitting by the fire and dream. Tell me again with a whisper. Little things that I wanna hear. And the stars up above are smiling when they see you holding me so near. I see the snowflakes on the chimneys and
No,
the
take it off.
candles.
And just like that, my kids are scrapping again. Just like that, we're at the airport, ready to fly home. If anyone's ever in an airport with me and my children, I apologise. I'm at the point where I can't take any more. So I'm hoping the flight isn't delayed.
Yeah, got me still with me.
Please no, that's torture. Are you trying to torture me?
Have a search